Hi there you guys, I'm Teddy from BijuTeo Beading, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make these beautiful earrings. You could make a pendant, you could make a necklace when I show you how I'm making these cute elements, so it's all up to you. Just to show you a closer look of those earrings, here are the ones I'm showing in the tutorial, and here is another pair that I did. Okay, and here is one that I'm using white and black and red here. So if you like what I'm showing you and you're new here, it's a good idea to subscribe and hit that bell button also next to subscribe, and don't miss my next tutorials. And if you want to support me and make me do more videos like this, please like, share and comment, and I promise I'll answer to all of you that comment and have any questions. And if you decide to make another variation of these beautiful earrings, please post it on my Facebook page that I posted below this video, and I will be so happy to see your creations. Thank you so much for watching, and now we're going to start with the list of the materials. Okay guys, so for this earring what I'm going to use are two colors of HO seed beads, silver and red, and I'm using 11O seed beads in red color, and this beautiful 6mm bead, you could use pearl if you want, and I'm using these faceted crystals that are 4 by 6mm, and I'm using ear wires, this beautiful dark color, and here I use monofilament, which is 0.006 inches or 0.15mm, and you could use fireline or whatever you prefer. And I'm using this instrument to cut closer to my work. You could use scissors, and I'm using flat nose pliers to squeeze my monofilament to go through the size 10 beading needle that I'm also using. And I'm going to start by taking 5 feet of thread, or about 1.5 meters, and I'm going to start. Okay, and I will start by first taking my 6mm bead, and what I'm going to do is slide it down, and I will put an earring to be like my pattern here. Okay, and now what I want to do is take 3 silver beads and 3 red beads, and I will alternate them. Okay, and this is what I have on my needle. And now I'm going to go back in circle through this bead, just like that, and I'm holding my tail thread. It's really important to hold your tail thread, okay? Now I'm going to repeat this from the other side. So I will take silver, red, silver, red, and then again silver and red. And this row I started with silver because here I'm ending it with a red bead. So I'm still holding my tail thread here, and what I want to do is go back in circle through the other side of my bead here. Still hold your tail thread and go here, right here, and now make a knot. Okay, stick your needle in your mat and make a knot with your tail thread and your main thread. Do it by going through here and pulling tight, and then make a loop and go once, and then go second time through that loop and pull. Okay, now this is what I have. Okay, and after I made this loop, what I have to do is just go and reinforce this whole row, and I will go reinforcing it several times until my beads start laying flat around this bead and surround it nicely and tightly, maybe at least 3 times or even more. So I will do this off camera and then I will be back to tell you how we're gonna continue. Okay, and after I reinforce this nice and tight, now I'm gonna go to the next step, and in my next step I will go and take silver, red, and then again silver. Okay, and I will go back through this silver one and through the next red one, just like that. Okay, now what I want to do is that I prefer to flip my work, because in this direction I work easier. And now in my next step I will take a silver and red 11-0, only silver and an 11-0 without another silver, because I will go through this silver that I already added. Okay, so only in my first step I add silver, red, silver, and then only silver and red. Okay, now this is what I have, and I'm going back through this silver and through the next red one. Okay, and now this is what I have, and I'm gonna be adding again red and silver, and I'm going through this silver one and through the next two, the red one and the silver one. Okay, now I'm exiting here after my next 8-0, which is my silver, and I will continue doing this, and I will meet you here where I should close my circle, and I will show you how to do it. Okay guys, and now I'm here where I should close my circle, and because here two silver 8-0s meet, what I'm going to do is to add one red in between them. Okay, so I'm going through this silver, I'm taking one red bead, okay, just like that, and I'm going through the other silver. Here is what I do, because I want to have the same shape like up until now, and now my circle is closed. Okay, and what I want to do is go through this circle, through this silver one more time, then I'm going through the red one here. Okay, and now it's time to add my 4x6 crystals. Okay, I'm taking one of them, I'm going through the next red one, just like that, and I'm gonna continue doing this until the end of this row. Okay, I will do only this until the end, and when I finish this row I will be back to show you what's coming up next. Okay guys, and now I'm here where I just added my last crystal here, and now what I want to do is take one more red bead, and I'm going in circle through my next crystal. Okay, then I will take one more, go through the next crystal, and one more, okay, and I will continue adding seed beads all around this row, and then I'm gonna meet you and tell you what's coming up next. Okay guys, and I finished this row, and I will go one more time back through the first bead I went through, and then I will go through my crystal and through the next seed bead. And in this row I'm gonna start adding the edge of beads, and I will start by taking 5 seed beads, and I have my 5 on my needle, and I'm going through the next red bead. Then I will take 5 more seed beads, and I have my 5 here, and I'm going through the next red bead. and I'm gonna repeat this one more time. Okay, I have my 5. I'm going through here. I should warn you that if your beads are bigger, let's say 10 O's, probably you should add 4 beads instead of 5 here to have a nice looking edge. And now I will continue doing this, and don't worry if it bends and moves and doesn't look good in the beginning, because we are going to make an additional row, an additional thread path and it will make all of your edge look nice. So continue, and I will meet you here and I'll show you what's coming up next. Okay, and here I am, guys, where I'm adding my last beads, and you see how my beads bend and move up and down. So now what I'm going to do is to make an additional thread path and make them stay nicely. So I will exit here, but I won't go through this inner bead, and I will go only through the beads that's exactly the opposite to this one I'm going out of. Okay, then I'm going through here and I will repeat this step. Don't go inside into this bead, but only through the beads that are on the edges, and then go through here and repeat this until you come up to here, and you will see how these beads will stay nicely at the edges. You see how now the edge sits nice and tight here, and now I'm going to attach my ear wire here. Okay, and I will take my ear wire. I will take a seed bead, then my ear wire, and I will slide them down. Then I will take another ear wire, another seed bead, and I'm going in circle through those beads here, just like that. And now what I do is that I'm going to reinforce my work here by going one more time around all of my beads. Okay, and I will reinforce it several more times, and then I'll be back to tell you how to make your knots. Okay, guys, and now I reinforce this joint, and what I want to do is make my knot here. So I'm making a loop here, and then what I do is that I go once and I go second time through the same loop I made, and then I'm pulling, and when I pull, this is what I have. Then I'm gonna continue making more and more knots, and after I make a knot I will go through the next seed bead, and then I will cut my thread. Remember, never cut next to your knot. Okay, and now both of my earrings are ready. So if you like them and you want to see more videos like this, please like, share and comment, and I promise I'll answer to all of you that comment and have any questions. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below this video, and I will be so happy to see your creations. And I'm also so curious to see how the earrings will look with different colors, because you see, like I showed you in the beginning, there are so many variations of those earrings. If you decide to make your own version, please post it on Facebook. I will be so happy to see it.